everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox with you my two favorite LOLs. And our two LOLs, they are in cute suitcases actually. So my first LOL, I named her Lena. And she comes with two dresses. And it comes with this small cute bag. And an accessory, it maybe be a glasses or a necklace. And it comes with one pair of boots and one pair of school shoes. Looks adorable. And in our LOL, when you look at the back of her bag, you can find a button. When you click it, it can make an amazing light. And your LOL will going to make a light. Then I'm going to let her wear her school dress or school uniform and wear her school shoes. And I'm going to let her wear glasses. She can look weird because I'm not sure that there is an LOL that wears sunglasses while going to school. Then, in her bag, I'm going to put her second outfit. And now we got our LOL. She looks adorable. Goodbye, Lena. Now we're going to see your friend. I also named her Linda. So both can, they're sisters, but they look different. So we got our LOL and we got a jumpsuit, a pink jumpsuit. And I got for her the school shoes, so both can wear the school shoes. And I got sunglasses and her lovely bag. Also, there is a button. When you click it, it can make lights. Okay, now I'm going to change her clothes and I'm going to let her wear this jumpsuit. Oh, she looks adorable. And also she's wearing the school shoes like her friend. I wish you're going to be happy and having fun while watching this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe so all your friends can watch this video too. And actually, those LOLs are my best LOLs. I wish also you love them. Bye!